Hello again. So this room is a terrible mess right now. I'm still working on the rising shelf. This is going to be the backboard for that rising shelf, which is right over here. Today I added these square tubes. Well, actually it's one square tube that I cut in half. I made Dado slots under the shelf and slid these things in. So now the shelf is more sturdy. It's not like it doesn't move at all, but anyway, it's looking good. I also have this piece here that I attached the two legs together with, and I screwed in here in the bottom. I put some threaded inserts in the wood. I'm figuring this out as I go because I've never done this kind of thing before. And so let's see here. Let's just make it go up for fun. Come on. There you go. And there's a ton of stuff here in the way. It's a mess. I'm glad that it doesn't go too high and cause a problem. So I'll take a step back here, out of the room. It's a mess. And that's what it looks like for now. So one of the next things I have to do, because I've been looking carefully at how I'm going to set this up, considering it, I'm going to have to work with these cables. I'm going to have to remove something and extend something. I also have a light to put underneath. It's the same as this model here. It's the same model, but I have more than one lamp like that. And I'm going to put it underneath behind the bar or the metal piece that I use as a long bracket across. So I'll put it just on the other side of that. And unfortunately there's this really silly chain, and I want to remove that and just put a switch on there instead, and the switch would be on the table itself, underneath the table, and not under the shelf. So I'm going to have to find a way to extend that control. Even though the light's going to be up there, I'm going to have to run a wire all the way along to the underside of the table. Alright, so that's where it's at today. It looks pretty good. It's pretty solid. I'm happy, and this is going to go on there next. I still have to figure out how I'm going to do that, if I'm going to put a bracket here, and then the shelf is going to go there, so maybe a bracket to connect the two and keep it solid. It's to be seen. Anyway, until next time.